In this video, we'll demonstrate how to accept friend requests and add friends on your PlayStation 5. But before we dive in, I'd like to invite you to hit that like button if you're excited to learn about accepting friend requests and adding friends on your PlayStation 5. Also, don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback helps us create better content for you. Let's get right into it. Firstly, press the PlayStation button and open the quick menu. Navigate to the Game Base section. To accept a friend request, locate the friend request icon, usually represented by a smiley face. It'll display the pending friend requests. Choose the person's name and select Accept to add them to your friends list. Additionally, you can view sent friend requests and cancel them if needed. Go back to the Game Base and use the Search for Player option. Enter the PlayStation Network ID and choose the person to send a friend request. Remember, another way to view friend requests is through the Notifications menu. You might find pending requests or messages there that you can accept. Moreover, there's a Play Together section where you can easily add people you've recently played with. It displays the list of players you recently engaged with in games. You can also explore the Players You May Know section to add friends based on mutual connections. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe to Media Magnet Guide for more insightful tech videos. Thank you for watching. For more useful tech tips and tricks, visit mediamagnetguide.com.